together. Okay, here we go. Example, 3 times x, and then we'll do 3 times 9. So the 3 gets multiplied to both of these terms here. We're multiplying over addition here. So 3 times x, that's 3 times x is 3x. And then we have 3 times 9. 3 times 9, well, that makes 27. So there we go there. Okay. Now go ahead and try this one out on your own. There are blanks on your page for this. Try this one out on your own, then come on back and see how you did. So here we go. We're going to go -7 times the -2x and the 8. So -7 times -2x. So we have a negative times a negative. Remember, that's going to be positive. So these are going to get complicated. So first up, break it up. -7 times -2, break it up into 2 questions. Question number 1, is it going to be positive or negative? Okay, so in this case here, we have negative times negative, so that'd be positive. So we know it's going to be positive. Now we just do 7 times 2. Well, 7 times 2, that makes 14. Don't forget the x, okay? Next up, we're going to do -7 times +8. So step 1, is that positive or negative? We have a negative times positive. The signs are different. It's going to be a negative, so it'll be a minus. And now we do 7 times 8, 56. And there we go. There's our distributing.